Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm in the lean-to here. You can see the fig trees that are in the lean-to have budded out, even the grapevines. It's like 97 degrees in here. I just took the plastic tops off of these seed starter trays here. I hope I didn't bake my seeds. This here, what is it saying? It's saying 92. I thought it said 97 inside. It's in the sun though. You can see here's another grapevine. It's the interlocking seedless. The lemongrass survived. Still have some lemongrass. And the smaller figs here are starting to open up their buds. Hope the camera's not shaking. I just had to get up on the second floor roof and put up a piece of flashing that had come off because the sparrows were getting in. That was a little scary, but what I need to do is I think take off the the bee cozy off the beehive, unless I want to bake those. The only thing I'm wondering is if they've acclimated to a certain temperature, if I take that off. I don't know, the nighttime temperature is going to be in the 40s, but definitely that black gets pretty warm. It's a nice bright sunny day today, so I want to take that off. They're really active. And probably take the tar paper off too. I don't know about the burlap. Probably the burlap. And maybe the bee guard. Maybe they're active enough because they're really crowded at the front door. We'll take a look. Yeah, you can see here they're really backed up. They're trying to pull the paper covering off of the pollen patties too that they've taken off all the way down from the top. Some nice dark or bright orange or yellow pollen going in. I think they could fend off a mouse if a mouse was to get in there now. It's pretty packed up. Oh, this is stuck. Must be warm. One of the bees is fanning at the entrance there. Going back in.